I am Azelia. Today, we shall work on triggering a few memories you have forgotten. I am sure the word memories makes us curious. Our brain cells has billions of neurons that can save 1,000,000 gigabytes of data. Sounds amazing, isn't it? Now, let me ask you a few questions. Do you remember the time when you were a baby? And do you remember crying in the nights for food? Or when you were sick and your mom calmed you by staying awake for you all night? That's impossible. I don't think anyone remembers babyhood. Is that your response? Well, our focus today is not about remembering our baby times. It is something even more. I'm sure all of us love traveling by car, train, or bus. While traveling, most of us love getting the window seat. We have small fights or competitions for the window seat. Getting the window seat helps us enjoy the nature and the breeze. We get to enjoy the tall trees, the fields, and the plants. Have you enjoyed the beauty of the giant trees? Some trees are tall, some large with huge trunks, and some stand strong over the mountains. When you travel on road, they spread their branches wide, welcoming you into the shade avenue. This is a lovely experience. Have you wondered how the trees stand tall? Is it their height or the size of their trunks? Is it their leaves and branches? Yes, you got it right. It is something that lies hidden beneath the trees, the roots. When a seed germinates, the radicle and the plumule shoot from it. The radicle grows into the soil as the roots. From the small beginning, the roots begin to nurture the little plant with all the nutrients it requires. The radicle grows downwards as an elongated part called the taproot. This root anchors the plant into the soil, providing it with nutrients and strong mechanical support. I am sure you must have learnt the details in science. If you have ever tried uprooting a plant with a taproot, you would have found it very difficult. It is because it grips the plant very firmly to the soil to withstand challenging times. An amazing fact about the taproots in dry places like deserts and temperate regions is it grows as deep as the height of the tree above the soil. That is why trees in dry areas and hilly areas look evergreen, even when no one waters them. In return, the trees produce fruits which do not benefit the root much but have seeds that can grow into many new trees. These hidden roots that go so deep have something to speak with you. Likewise, you have unseen sources to nurture you. You wouldn't have treasured them much or would have taken them for granted. People like your parents, teachers, mentors, and friends stand by you. Very often, we do not stop to think about them. But like the unseen roots under the soil, they uphold you. You look evergreen because of the values instilled by them. Sometimes you don't realize it, but they help you stand when life hits you hard. The milestones in your life are the fruits you bear with the nourishment you receive through them. Like we discussed before, your brain can hold the people who have stood by you. So, remember your roots. Hope you enjoyed the learning. Goodbye.